Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah wa barakatuh, guys. We have a power analyzer meter, whichever meter is its power analysis. The 3 ports you can see here are where the city supply is connected. These ports are for R, Y, B 3-phase lines and the neutral. Here you can see that its cable is 3-phase with a neutral. You have written all over here. I think there is L1, L2, L3, and N also here. L1 is here. L1 has been connected. This is L2 around, and this is the L3. Then it's neutral. And we also connect the neutral of this cable. Applied. These are its 3 clips, which are connected to the live wires. The meter will show the power. And this is the city cable. This is a single-phase city supply. Your AC is connected to it through the live wire. It needs to be connected to it. I'll take it out, okay? This is the city you have to see right now if you want to. And the one who is in charge. The cable should be connected to the same phase where the air conditioner is being used. You already know about the city supply. The city was previously used. Whichever phase it is, insert it like this in between and push it in. It will be done. This arrow that you can see, the arrow should be installed in the same direction in which the voltage is flowing. If the voltage flow is going downward, then the arrow should be kept pointing downward. If the flow is upward, then we will install it like this. It doesn't show us anything because it's not connected. Once it is connected, it will show, display, voltage, current, ampere, etc. Now we are talking about the buttons part. This meter is on. We only need to use 2 buttons. One button is for the meter and the other is for power. Look, here you can see the voltage, and here are the amperes. They will check the power. Total load will show it kVA and kW and the power factor. That's all he's doing, and then he'll see you in the next video. Peace be with God, and blessings be upon him.